Hello everyone, this is Lijen Pimata from BSED Math 1B. Today, I will teach you how to use multiplication as operations on function. First, let us have an example number 1, where we need to find A as the quantity of f times g times x. For example number 1, the given is f of x is equal to 4x and the g of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Let us solve for A as the quantity of f times g times x is equal to f of x times g of x. So let us substitute x where our f of x is 4x multiplied by 2x plus 3, which is our g of x. So now let us multiply 4x times 2x is equal to 8x squared, and then 4x times positive 3 is 12x. So the final answer is 8x squared plus 12x. Now let us proceed to our example number 2. For the given of example number 2 is the f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 4x and our g of x is equal to 4x squared plus 2x. So the quantity of f times g times x is equal to f of x times g of x. Let's substitute x where our f of x is 5x squared plus 4x here, and multiply by 4x squared plus 2x, which is our g of x. Now let us use FOIL method here. Have you remember when you are in senior high or junior high, did you use FOIL method? FOIL means first, outer, inner, and last. So let us multiply 5x squared times 4x squared is 20x squared, and 5x squared times 2x is 10x cubed. Why is it 10x cubed? Since that the rule in multiplying exponent or different exponent, we need to add. But if it is the same, we need to copy their exponent or their common exponent. Next is 4x times 4x squared is 16x cubed. The same with this. Because 4x has an imaginary 1 here as an exponent. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay? So 4x times 2x is 8x squared. X and x. Because it has an imaginary 1 here as a raised to 1 exponent, and then we need to add 8x squared. So now, the next step is to arrange from the higher exponent 3 to the lower exponent 2. So cube to square. Now, let us combine like terms. 10x cubed plus 16x cubed is 26x cubed. And 20x squared plus 8x squared is positive 28x squared. So the final answer is 26x cubed plus 28x squared. Let us proceed to our example number 3, which is this. So the given is f of x is equal to negative x squared plus 2x minus 1, and the g of x is equal to 3x squared minus 5x plus 1. Let us solve the quantity of f times g times x is equal to f of x times g of x. Let us substitute x where our f of x is negative x squared plus 2x minus 1 comes from here, and 3x squared minus 5x plus 1, which is our g of x. So we need to multiply these two. So negative x squared times positive 3x squared is negative 3x squared. It is because the rule in multiplying different exponents or different signs is resulted to negative sign. Negative times positive is negative, but when we multiply positive times positive and negative times negative, it will be resulted to positive sign. Always remember that rule. Next is negative x squared times negative 5x is 5x cubed. Negative times negative is positive. And x squared and x is an imaginary 1 here is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then negative x squared times positive 1 is negative x squared. Next is 2x times 3x squared is 6x cubed. Then 2x times negative 5x is negative 10x squared, and positive 2x times 1 is positive 2x. Then negative 1 times positive x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 1 times negative 5x is positive 5x. Negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. Now, let us arrange it by the higher exponent to the lower exponent. So, it is now the arrangement. Now, let us combine like terms. So, 5x cubed plus 6x cubed is equal to 11x cubed. Then, negative 3x squared minus negative 2 is negative 4x squared, minus 10x squared is negative 410x squared, minus 3x squared is negative 710x squared. So, when we add common sign, but if it is common sign, we need to add and copy its common sign. But if it is negative and positive, we need to subtract. But if it is negative to negative, we need to add but copy the common sign. And if it is negative and positive, copy the sign of the bigger number when we subtract. Now, let us proceed to positive 2x plus 5x is equal to positive 7x and copy the negative 1. So, the final answer is 11x cubed minus 7x squared plus 7x minus 1. I hope all of you have learned something today in using multiplications as operation and function. Have a good day. Thank you.